So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to arrange an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up, I'm just going to go ahead and add an image. How about I search up a photo right here of Boston, the city of Boston. One may take a couple seconds actually, just to load for whatever reason. Maybe it's not working for whatever reason, whatever the case may be. Let me just try again right here. I'll just use a recently photo, I guess, here of the Statue of Liberty. Sorry about that. But if you wanted to arrange the photo, it's super straightforward. Go ahead, press on the image right here. Press on this. Go to the top and press on these three little arrows right here. There's a bunch of different options right here. You can copy it. You can align to the page. You can do all this stuff. There's lock position, there's duplicate, etc. You can actually go to position right here as well, where it says arrange the image. So this kind of builds on what I just said. You can align it to the top, you can align it to the middle, you can align it to the bottom, the right, the left, the center. You can do it forwards or backwards, whatever the case may be. But you can play around with it using the arrange tab under the position button. So if you wanted to make it middle, there you go. You have now arranged the photo to go to the middle, both horizontally and vertically. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to arrange an image here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.